Our culture has been oppressed for a very long time, so it's time for us to stand up.
The reason I'm doing this is to show anyone that the Oromo people are people with a beautiful culture that shouldn't be silenced or looked down upon anymore.
We're here to raise money for the people back home, our people. They're being thrown in prison for no reason, they're being killed for no reason, and mothers have no way of supporting their family because their husbands are being thrown in prison, they're being killed for no reason.
We need to bounce back from this loss that we have taken and come together as a community to empower our people to gain freedom.
Our culture is so rich and beautiful, so we want to share it with you.
Come out and support the advocacy of human rights on Friday, December 9th.
This is open for everyone, and we want you to come.
The location is at the Grand Ballroom at Stamp at the University of Maryland.